Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakas ni palai jong katayo ula platpat ba ek online portal jong ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA. Bat ekani ke jing register ki nongshong shnong on pyntreikam shwa ki hinyau tligi shnong ki bedan ha kadong ba shlong. Hakani ke jingalang platpat ba ek online portal jong ke MRSSA laidon lang Menteri Korbarri ke Jela ba lakmen rumboi UMLA Kamosen Ram uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang Chief Secretary Kejela uba DP Walang, Director General ki Pulit Kejela LR Bishnoi, kirang ba shnong bat kibai. Ki shnong ki ben pyntreikam mekanik kin kentup ikan Nongrim Hills, Lapalang, Nongmonsong, Nongra, Pokse, Riat Laban bat wa Dingliang. Konrad Kongkal Sangma habakran hagajing yalang ulong bagajing pyntreikam ya ke core digital kalong ban pentikena hagajing shingan bat jingera ki nongshong shnong bat kan long rukum ka ikhtiar ka baklan na kabentaki bor ke berikmi ban yo ki jingtip bat ban pet ngor bat ban le ka badan kam katkum ki jingtip ki bayo lengba ka online database. Ulong dakane ke jing penan kami ki core digital bat jing pen kre ek online database na kabentaka MRSSA. Kan longru ke bajing mentoy ha ke ban kami benya bat ban pyntreikam kambhai ke jing syakri ki skim bat iki program baper jong ke sarkar. Menteri Rangba ulong syok baya mentahi ke jing pyntreikam kan long syawatang hakikat tu kene gishnong ki bakongsan bat an sepenyar ke jing pyntreikam ha keleng gishnong ki thau ki badan ha ke jelai. Hadian balawai ke jing yalang Menteri Rangba ke Jela ula pensyai bagi dan artli ki MRSSA ha ke Jela. Kawai kedai ke barem, bat kawai kedai ke beladep ban pentelah temai, nerekam pat yok setia ya kejing menjur. Ulong baya ke MRSS bill ke beladep ban pentemai lapha ke presiden jongari katkum kejing betha jong lat ke Jela. Bat ke sarkar Jela kadang buk din lor kania, nrei kat ba kampat yok kejing menjur, kumta ke sarkar ke lapan pyntreikam sywa da ke MRSSA arhajar kat nrio, ke beladep ban yok kejing menjur. Ulong bakat kum kaan jong ke stem arhajar kat nrio la syak ban register ya barok kinong shnong ki badan hakal ki district bat apok ke Jela bat la thau ya ki district task force boper rengkat bat ki wede ki rukom treikam.
No, the amended one has not been passed. So this is the act that came out in 2016 which mandates that systems should be created for registration of all the residents that are there in the state. And different district task force were created and all the other systems were created. So the implementation of this had been lagging because of a number of challenges, including the COVID we had in the last 2 years, 3 years. And now we have just today launched the app and the website for the registrations to start now online. So basically we're going to implement this act now in letter and spirit, and 7 localities have been selected. So now the MRSSA registrations, which was mandated in the Act, will start, and it's a very important step. Of course, we will improve things as we go along because it's a new system, so we'll have to get everybody on board. Training will have to be given, and this will now ensure that the registrations and the information of every individual coming into our state and staying in a particular location, especially in rented houses in different localities, these information now will be captured and will be shared with the locality as well as with the government. So this is a positive thing because it will help the locality know the overall, the people staying in their locality, and the government also will know. And yes, it's as I said, it is not just the security and safety aspect, but even in the future we'll have different aspects of schemes, and monitoring of programs can also be done through this system.
Can we say that the government will still pursue with the amendmenting of this MRSSA?
It has been sent to the President and as per the directions of the Governor, and now of course we are pursuing it, but it has been sent. But in the meantime, it is important that at least the present act that is there must be implemented in letter and spirit, and this step is going towards that.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.